What's going on, guys? Y'all already know who it is, man. It's your boy, Stutter Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. So I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, man. We're gonna get right to it, because I already done missed my darn soufflés over at Panera Bread, man. I'm mad about that. I love my soufflés, man. But you got to beat them old folks over there, man. Them old folks be up at the 6, 7 o'clock waiting, boy. You get that too late, boy. Ain't no more soufflés left, man. I'm trying to tell you, man. Panera Bread soufflés is Probably have to wait to lunchtime to get me some McAllister's Deli or something. I might go to Red Lobster. I got taste for some. I don't know. I'll see, man. Anyway, let's get to it. First of all, BNB Steak. Let's check on the health of the contract. Where we at? This is easy to remember. It's 6:30, 6:30. Y'all know how we do, so we're gonna refresh the page on that. See what we do. How we do what we do. You know, it take all day like the Jeopardy music, you know what I'm saying? But it's rotating. Let's go. 6:30, 6:30. 6:30, 6:30. We got to check on the health of the contract. See, this is the number we got to focus on now, see. We got to see what that's doing, the contract balance. You know what I'm saying? Because people starting to get their money back. Everybody starting to, break even. They got their money back. They getting to that point. This is what, day 8, day 9, something like that? So people starting to get to that point where, okay, breaking even, now they're starting to profit. So let's see what the contract balance going to do. We had 6:30. We got, okay, 29.64. With the contract was 6:30. Okay then. My bad. I don't want to start nothing. I'm just showing you the numbers, man. The numbers is going up. You seen it for yourself. So I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I probably wouldn't get in at this point, but hey, crypto was a solo sport, baby. I showed it to you the day I got in. So we breaking even now. We finna start profiting. You know what I'm saying? But if you want to jump in, I'm just showing you the health of the contract, man. You know, most people don't do that. I show it to you right here. I keep it like that. I'm going to keep this right here. Then when I do another video, I'm going to refresh the page. You're going to see it when I see it. There ain't no manipulation. This ain't mine. I don't give a damn what it do. It's going to pay until it don't. But it's paying 12% a day. Ooh, that's hard to, boy. Anyway, man, especially with the market down, you got something that's going to pay you 12% a day. That's hard to overcome, man. Now, don't come down here. Tell you right now, don't bring your monkey ass down here now. Stay up here. You know what I'm saying? Stay in the kitty section. Now, I be talking crazy about, but it's for real, man. Stay up here, man. For real. But anyway, let's keep it moving, man. What else we got going on? Buy swap. I don't know if people be fun buy swap, man. They trying to bring this thing down so bad. I don't know why. I think people that's not in it, it's other farms and stuff that's coming and going. This thing's still paying these great percentages, but they funding. I think the price like $1 now. What is it? Yeah, like $1. Which is still good, because I got in at 60 cents, so still good. TVL, 348 million. What other farms got 348 million of TVL? The jealousy is real out here. Why? It's real. It's real. But anyway, man, you know what I'm saying? All I do is just come. Oh, I can hit the harvest all. I keep forgetting about this harvest all button, man. I keep forgetting about it. But, I be like to show y'all, my numbers that I'm getting, just so you can know. And somebody said the other day, like, well, you must have got like 200,000 in it. No. My first deposit in here was $5,000, man. But I got in early. Remember, this thing was paying like 1,500% when y'all was scared. You know what I'm saying? You can't be scared of this kind of stuff, man. You either gonna be in or you out, like straight up. But it is what it is, baby. We move on to CoinSwap. What else we got? Come on, CoinSwap, come through. CoinSwap still see what I'm saying? I'm making more BNB just by being in these farms, like this one. This price is stable. Basically the same price as yesterday. As the price of BNB and stuff go down, when I cash out, I'm getting more of BNB or whatever. I can cash out in the ADA or whatever I choose to cash out in. Bitcoin, you see what I'm saying? I'm getting more Bitcoin because the price of Bitcoin is down now. It was it got up to 3,500. 3,500. I wish 35,000. I think now it's at 32,000. I'm just saying, man, it's numbers. Crypto is a numbers game, man. The faster you get to the numbers, baby, the faster you're gonna make money. But you gotta stop being scary. What else? Yeah, what we're gonna do? I mean, I'm gonna get to the whole drippy drip. You know what I'm saying? Because today is drip drop day, airdrop day. So look, it's what you got to do. You just got to be one of the first 10 people to make a comment and then reply to yourself. Don't put your address in the same comment. You have to reply to yourself. So you comment, then go back, hit reply, and reply to yourself. Now, some of y'all be trying to be all in this incognito mode and VPN. I mean, look, man, I ain't gonna do with all that. You trying to hide from your ex-girlfriend and the government and trying to beat them rape charges you had, man. I ain't got nothing to do with that, bro. This clean, good family fun over here, bro. All I'm asking you to do is give you money. And all you got to do is post a comment, then go back, hit reply, and then paste your address. Now, you can't post a comment. Well, I guess you can, because I guess your comment will be time-stamped. But like if you post a comment and then come back 3 hours later and then put your, you better do it before I do the video. You can't come back after I do the video and then post your address. Hey, man, there go my address. That's why I like to do my airdrops live. You see what I see. You see exactly what I see. The same names I see. You can't come back to me. Hey, man, I'm Stanley Wright from Long Island. You know, okay, I don't know you. I don't know nobody else, bro. I'm just giving away money, man. That's all I'm trying to do. Simple instructions. I don't know how simpler I can make it. Just be quick. If you got the notifications, you see Stunner done drop the video, you know it's airdrop day. Somewhere between 10:30, 12:30, I'm going to drop the video. You already know that. So the best thing you do, come on the video, make your comment, like the video. First thing you do is like the video. You know what I'm saying? You got to like the video first. So your comment ain't going to show up unless you like the video. Nah, I don't know that, man. But I think liking the video help your calls out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? For, what they call that, the YouTube algorithm. Like, man, y'all be talking, y'all nobody care nothing about all that, man. Anyway. I was trying to give away some money, bro. So be one of the first 10. Comment, go back, reply, and make it rain on your head. So let's keep getting this money, baby. What else we got? We got old pancake swizzle. Well, we got some old bunny too. I ain't talking about that bunny. See, I ain't talking about that bunny, you know. So, but that bunny dropped down to with $1.50. What is that now? $13.90. But hey, sometimes it's good to buy the dip, baby. So on my PancakeSwap, I got some choices to make. Everybody want to know what farms I'm in. Let me show you what farms I'm in. Everybody want to know what farms I'm in. Let me see what farm. Let me see. Right here. I'm only in 2 farms. Oh, details. Right here. I'm in the OIN BUSD and the ITAM BNB. That's what I'm in. See, I ain't in all that. I guess folks be thinking I'm in like 10 pools. I'm in 2 pools, man. They pay what? What did they pay? 0.45% a day and 0.39% a day, which is, it's okay. You know what I'm saying? It ain't breaking the bank. But sometimes you got to weigh it out. You know what I'm saying? It's safer than like a buy swap or a coin swap, but it don't pay as much. So you have to weigh that out. You know what I mean? Like a 0.5% over here is the same as 1% somewhere else. You see what I'm saying? So, that's how I look at it. You ain't got to look at it that way. That's how I look at it. You know what I mean? I ain't going to say I don't make that no pancakes, but that's good money for some people. But the price is down, and which I don't, well, now look, I think this got to be some kind of typo or something. This thing was at like 13 billion yesterday, now it's at 6 billion. Like, it's got to be, I ain't going to even look at that no more, because it got to be some kind of UI thing going on. Oh, speaking of UI, hey, Forest Shark, come on, man, fix the darn reservoir, man. It's a UI thing. Can't nobody see it. Come on, man. Come on. See, this is what I'm talking about. This kind of stuff that gets under my skin. It's simple stuff like this. You got a great platform, bro. Just fix the UI, bro. Now, maybe can y'all see it? I can't see it on the reservoir. All I get is dots. Now, if you ain't got nothing in it, you're going to see 0. You know what I'm saying? But you still should be able to see the stats. Can anybody see the stats? You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me, man. But anyway, like the video, comment, subscribe. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna eat. I think I want some crab cakes from Red Lobster. I got the pretty ladies out there, you know what I'm saying? I want to meet your boy for life. Where y'all at? There's some pretty ladies in crypto. Where y'all at, man? Holla at your boy, man.